These are the knives I use in all my cooking classes, and one of the first things we do is I show everyone how to hold their knife. Take this knuckle and put it right over the top of the knife. This is the bolster, which isn't sharp, and you put your middle finger, that knuckle, right up against the bolster. Wrap your fingers around. This knuckle is on top of the blade, and you want to pop out this first finger. Your thumb and this finger are gripping the blade of the knife, almost like you're holding a pencil. You have so much more control when you hold your knife this way. It becomes an extension of your arm. You can carve things easily. You have more control instead of the knife pulling down on your wrist, which literally will give you carpal tunnel, and it's not safe. So practice it at home. Wrap your fingers around, pop your finger out, pinch the blade with your thumb and forefinger. Practice it before you hold the knife, and you're gonna be a pro in no time.